I'm reviewing JGAurora's A5S 3D printer. This does print well, it's nice smooth prints, if you know how to level it. And I found out quickly that this was a little difficult to level. What I discovered was I needed to adjust the Z-axis sensor, especially depending on if you're adding the glass bed on top or just using the metal one. It creates a significant distance. So what you need to do is take a small Allen's wrench and you'll unscrew the two little screws there, and then you have the ability to slide it up or down. Now only slide it a teeny tiny bit. A little overview of the menu. There is an SD card that is provided, and it offers you two 3D softwares. One is JGAurora, that is by the seller's company. It looks almost identical to the other software that is more readily known, which is Cura. This is your main touch screen. Heat for the extruder and the bed. Your ability to move the different accesses. Your home. Extruder, so you can feed the filament in and out. When you're changing your filament, I highly recommend to let out a lot of filament just to make sure that it's completely clean, especially if you're changing colors. This printer has 5 different points that you can level with. So let's go to the first. Because you have to level manually, I recommend using the A4 paper method. Slide my paper underneath here. And right now, it's difficult to stick it under. So, they have these little knobs that are on the side, and I'm going to tighten it. And you want the paper so you can feel the top of the nozzle, but you're not seeing any indentions. So I'm going to hit the second position. Again, I'm going to need to tighten. Until it barely slides. You can feel the top of the nozzle, but it's not creating any indentions. And then you'll do the same with the other 3 positions. We'll go third. This one should be good if the other 4 are leveled. Now going back, you can hit print with the SD card inserted. JG already has a few set up for you. They're little test prints. And then you can select which one you would like and hit yes. And you'll see that it'll automatically start to heat up the bed and the extruder. You can also hit pause. And when you do that, you can go to more and adjust the heater yourself, the fan, the speed, as well as change your filament. When you change your filament and you hit pause, it will automatically go back to the place that it was paused at and continue. I hope that this gives you a better idea of their product. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.